And welcome back. And we get back on track with the news that a total of 17 records were broken on the second and final day of the Central Athletics Championships held at the GC Foster College, with some individual outstanding performances on the boys' side. This as Edwin Allen girls and St. Jago boys defended their respective titles.
The outstanding St. Jago long-distance star Ryan Achow was among the individual record breakers on the final day of the championships. The 18-year-old returned 15 minutes 05.97 seconds on his way to smashing the boys' 5,000 meters open record and retain his title. The captain of St. Jago's boys team beat the old mark of 15 minutes 45.50 seconds by almost 40 seconds. The Heidel pair of Cavion Minot and Junior Gallimore were also in record-breaking form. Minot clocked 52.74 to remove the old mark of 53.65 in winning the Class 2 boys for 100-meter hurdles. Gallimore broke the record for the Class 1 equivalent, logging 51.77 to better the previous mark of 52.35. His teammate Robert Miller, who was the favorite, fell and did not finish the event. Gallimore was also among the double gold medalists as he came back later in the afternoon to capture the Class 1 boys 200 meters in 21.28. St. Jago, in retaining their title, turned back nearest rivals Edwin Allen by 42 points as they amassed 250. Compared to Edwin Allen's 208. Clarendon College with 132, Manchester High 124, and St. Catherine High 92 rounded out the top 5. The top 10 was completed by Heidel, Alphonsus Davis, Homewood Technical, Denby, and Veer Technical.
It's a great feeling, and we have been working for all of these event achievements since September, and we are feeling great to defend our title.
Carl Page, in his first year as head coach of the boys team, was winning his first title, and it was special in more ways than one.
I'm a student of St. Jago, and it's really feel well to be back at my alma mater, and it was a great victory with these youngsters.
Meanwhile, on the girls' side, Shamika McLean of Fogo Road High completed the Class 2 sprint double by landing the 200 meters in 24.14, while Rihanna Scott of Ferncourt High did likewise in Class 3, where she took the half-lap event in 24.33. Jovi Rose of Homewood Technical was also a double winner, having captured the Class 1 800 meters in 2 minutes 14.37 to add to the 1500 meters title she won on the opening day. Another double winner was Edwin Allen's Sushana Johnson, who captured the girls' 3,000 meters open final in 10 minutes 54.83 to add to the 2,000 meters steeplechase open title she had won on Tuesday. Edwin Allen defended their girls' title, amassing 406 points to finish 35.5 points ahead of arch rivals Homewood Technical on 370.5. They were followed by St. Jago 240.5, Veer Technical 235.5, and Alphonsus Davis 105.5, rounding out the top 5. Clarendon College, St. Catherine, Ferncourt, Manchester High, and Fogo Road High completed the top 10 on the girls' side. Edwin Allen recovered from trailing Homewood by 17 points on day 1, and coach Michael Dyke is lauding his girls and the support staff for their efforts.
I think, despite it has been somewhat of a watered down because we didn't get some of the competitors that we wanted to have here, but we came out and demonstrate what we have in store. Not to the fullest, but we did enough to retain our title at this championship.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.